press meet nang hanga bangke joint delegation ASDC KSA lapen KNC atun Delhi gidam complete kelelang proses apa setelah non fast phase support nang itu ban nang tan bom ku sudah kamatha lalu si press nut dudak nile por hidet ko. The joint delegations of Autonomous State Demand Committee, Karbi Students Association and Karbi Nim Suching to Rasong that has been campaigning in the national capital New Delhi to meet the Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah to submit a memorandum on Autonomous State, met Sri Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister for Shipping, Port and Waterways, Government of India, and Sri Horen Singh Bey, Member of Parliament, and apprised them of the border problem with Meghalaya, particularly the recent violence at Mugro in West Karbi Anglong district, which claimed the lives of 6 persons, including Vidya Singh Lekthe, Forest Home Guard. The joint delegation demanded that all concerned must respect and adhere to the government notification of 1951, which clearly demarcated the boundaries during the creation of the district and was reiterated during the creation of the then autonomous state of Meghalaya and also in 1971 during the Northeast reorganizations. The delegation also demanded that the immediate intervention of the central government on this particular issue as it involved the boundaries of two different states, as it is a matter of the central government and not that of inter-district boundaries. It may be mentioned that Sri Sonowal is the former Chief Minister of Assam and influential leader of the BJP who can prevail upon the central government to provide solution to the border problem. Both Sri Sarbananda Sonowal and Sri Horen Singh Bey, MP, gave a patient hearing to the delegations who promised to take up with the central government seriously. Meanwhile, the joint delegation returned to Diffu to participate in the protest program to be held on 29 November at Hamren against the encroachment by Meghalaya on Karbi Anglong. After participating in the protest program, the joint delegation will travel to New Delhi again to meet the Union Home Minister between 10 and 15 December 2022. Daniel Teron, Public City Secretary, Sanjoy Killing, Assistant General Secretary, ASDC, and Muniram Teron, Public City Secretary, KSA Central Committee. Bahan alam itu ahok pada lama bangke Aprang benda Delhi along Union Home Minister apan Autonomous State putak kacitong dami program ni dituntuk. Lasi tarik reser keper ni litum barlo. Lapen langsung aprang dan litu apan lo ni tang tan lo nang litu apan litum Delhi danji pala. Lasi hadak Union Home Minister apan litum appointment and bomahut. Si dak Mugro West Karbi Anglong lo. Mugro. Dai sia khotna tu ko. Amasin ni litum Sonowal pan immediately niltum chitong damlo. Sonowal ke Home Minister e kali tema. Seta aprang dak Assam Chief Minister. Kaddo ya problem kacini tang abang. Alang li kido hut Chief Minister ke claim hota nilitum chitong damlo. Pen memorandum talang li pan pibom lo. La pen alang li all party meeting penini lahaya ke phata la so border isu aputak nilitum mantan hang pong nilitum chitong dulu. La pen isi ke alang li ke BJP ang bong inut Northeast amchot kali All India long ta inut respected like influential leader lo pen cabinet minister shipping port and waterways pen ajas a departmental maso minit sikalan la pen ke alang li BJP lo election latung ne parliamentary board tu hala dak talang li inut a member lo bang potrok wet la dak lo asini litum kamat hake la alang li pan cetong dam pen pulote alang li central government apan report ki pia bang prap mojoji pen a metar ketek abang prap mojoji langsung sini litum kamatha lasi lahai kadwe kamatha pen si Sonowal apan nilitum cetong lo la pen inut Karbi Anglong IMP Horen Singh Bey alang li ta hadak si dokok lo Lasi alang lipatan nilu tum cetong rapper lo. Lasi nilu tum joint delegation tum laso border problem nilu tum lang. Lasi dak sonwal pen pipi man nilu tum lam pen kacing ti alama man dak nilu tum press nuto long dulu. Anparta memorandum long ki dua lam nilu tum man than tu itu. Isi bangke latum forest akem ta meke ya lo da. Lasi nilu tum ki po bangke la forest akem meke kai ta putot chikim tu nai immediately la pen ke dak amat si border post bitu pitna po khat khasla long la tum thredak lo lata bitu long nang po la pen ke la dakan chot kali more border outpost la hoya longan Meghalaya pen bangke more border BOP great tu nang la pen ke ahoy long ke do bangke full security pinai la pen Meghalaya sornan activities dobop tuwar nang ki boy dolong nang salam lapen ke kaprek activities tu lahaita ington nang pu possible militum pu lapen ke non ilong abang ke khandulia sector aside ada ami polong Meghalaya sor 1979 aning kan border post nang kimtan labang ta trinang pu relocate tu nang pu free pen ham Meghalaya aside sai sama polo ke sai sama sa hoi binong mati non ke am ia long mang kilometer cap an ke Karbiang long arlu nang lu chok lo ke kongres period lu lasi langso bang ta free si hudak Meghalaya hoi long si relocate tu nang pulai penangan demand neli tu memorandum long kitok pun dulu lasi lakum sonowal ta forensik BMP tanang ka cicak do mang ke netum immediately central sarkar pen take up tu si alang litum kipu lalu lapen litum non dharna dokok lo 29 arni program declare lo ada langsung mugro long langsung khotna dokok lo mati lasi langsung nang participate dunji pasi litum aku non wang tu jo entire delegation si dak litum Karbiang long siram tu joilo lasi 29 arni litum hamrena long protest program long litum langsung Meghalaya sor encroachment apa tang nilutum ada program tu ada dunpo protest program chief minister apa nilutum memorandum ta PG lapen la tangdet la pelote nilutum home minister pen appointment nilutum 10 pen 15 December ada aksi nilutum menang citong po senang cicak dun lo aksi nilutum aku putot dari pangnu thui Aibor sadap SHADAP sadap laki hadak local MDC lo laki so
incident long
involve mane ho dian than po mane hadak bangke Barreto consensi amen ke Barreto jo Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council member la langsung menit involve la sini tumgi po bangke sonawal phanta forensic be phanta nilutum la salam putikang lo ye he should be arrested and FIR should be filed against this person because he was the leader from Meghalaya side who was present during the time of the incident. He should be arrested. He is the main culprit. Aibor Sadap le ekjon Meghalaya Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council member ase. Tekhete ase ঘটনা সময় ইনভলভ ইয়াতে আমি ডিমান্ড কৰিছো সনৱালতো আমি কৈছো ফৰেনসিক বে ওটো আমি কৈছো তাক এৰেষ্ট কৰিব লাগে আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলং পৰা তাৰ এগেইনষ্ট FIR ফাইল কৰিব লাগে হি ইজ ইনভলভ তেখেতে আছে ঘটনা সময় লাগটো ভেকলো
তেখেতে কোনে কৈছিল আপুনি
আইবৰ সাদাপ লোকেল MAC তাত এইটো এৰিয়াটো কনজেন্সিয়ৰ নাম হৈছে বাৰেটো এইটো Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council or member হয় MAC হয় হি ইনভলভ তেখেতৰ ইনষ্টিগেশ্যন পৰা ঘটনাটো হৈছে আৰু lasi laki kepatia bangke lah hendo alam bangke self defense apa sih lah tentak kenenang kok lah seta hala forest home guard Karbi Anglong staff apa na tu Autonomous Council staff an kapiti pada bangke lah ki up and kali ki tube most merciless cruel lagi abinong bangke Human Rights Commission long reporting lagi langpo nelu tu total align dan nelu tu parsupo this matter should be brought notice of the Human Rights Commission. It may be state or national. Lah hello, pini ma press meet. Panel tum Delhi chidam thi. Ami aru ek Delhi যাম কাৰণ আমাৰ এপইণ্টমেণ্ট হোম মিনিষ্টাৰৰ লগত ইন বিটুইন 10th to 15th এতিয়া আমি ইয়াত অহা কাৰণ হৈছে হামৰেনত আমাৰ প্ৰটেষ্ট প্ৰগ্ৰাম আছে প্ৰটেষ্ট প্ৰগ্ৰামত আমি যোগদান কৰিবলৈ মাত্ৰ আহিছোঁ আৰু আমি যাম দিল্লী আৰু মাত্ৰ অট'নমাছ ষ্টেট আলামচত কালিলৈহে নট অনলি অট'নমাছ ষ্টেট ইছ্যু আমি বৰ্ডাৰ ইছ্যুও মানে হোম মিনিষ্টাৰটো আমি কথাটো ক'ম 29 অহাকালি হামৰেন হ'ব ইমাৰ্জেঞ্চি প্ৰগ্ৰাম আমি ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ এতিয়া অৰ্গেনাইজ Nelitum tak lokal tum sedang ngethan
local people
lapen aprang na dambom nelitum bertain bom mati lapen non problema bang epilo karbiang long mental latum fan ke support na tum du EPSLC tum support amase latum ke angrop celong lok lo asi EPSLC tum asten celar ni support chok cela tum
support tu ke koson se support lo Inglong asu hiyan ke aduya hoy ke napak pet tachok ui gasu mane kona mona asu nang pet bang chi chok chi petmen du
latum du
jega thar to
nang
Litum kelang bom lagi Malong News 24/7 hampang aparman klar da kabirta